Hey guys, welcome back to another Car TV vlog. It has been a hot minute since I've seen you guys, but today I'm here with a K-tuned package and I kind of want to show you guys what is in it. I'm super excited. I'm going to dive straight into it. I will be doing a big catch-up video so you guys will know everything, what's happening with Mia, what's happening with Nori, what's happening with my life. I will be getting to that, but first I wanted to release this video because I'm so excited and this is a new package and I've been waiting like pretty much like 3 days to open this package already. I'm going to be doing something super special with this, guys. I am going to actually, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to ruin the surprise. Oh my gosh, these like box like lid things they're quite large, so I might actually have to put this box on the floor. Okay, so I just opened the box and this is what I have received. The holy grail of valve covers for K series. It has a breather in it. I'm really excited to see that. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'll open it first and I'm gonna explain everything to you in just a second. By the way, guys, I have been a K-tuned fan ever since my DC2 days. I was like obsessed with them to the point where I actually went into K-tunes when I went to Ontario. And I literally gave them some Aussie biscuits. Because if you guys don't know, they're actually from Canada and I'm from Australia. So we're pretty far away from each other. But yeah, I brought them some biscuits called Iced Vovos. And I think I brought them the vanilla shortcake biscuits? Anyway, shortbread biscuits. I'll put them up on the screen anyway. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Ooh, okay, so they asked me what color I wanted. And I said raw. And the reason I said raw is because, drum roll please, I am actually going to be hand painting this rocker cover. So this is actually going to be identical to my livery, and I wanted to do like a Day of the Dead theme. And if you guys don't know, I'm like working on a painting at the moment, so you can see my kind of painting skill. That is my painting. That's Vicky's looking out the window. So yeah, I'm going to be painting this rock cover. I am so excited. This also has the breathers, so I can now connect my breathers properly to the head, especially because I have like a turbo now, so all my lines run differently. And yeah, I'm so excited. This is nice. This is pretty. I love how it's K-tuned. Yes. So basically this is the baffler inside of the rocker cover, and they give you the bolts as well for it. If I could find them, they're somewhere around here, but they give you like these really nice Allen keys for it as well. So this actually just goes like on the inside, and stock this is not removable, but because this is aftermarket, they've done us the honors of being able to remove it and also put it back in. So this covers like the breather ports, I think. So it's all to do about breathing with this valve cover. This is perfect. I love how customizable this is. To the next thing. I'm trying to find those Allen keys still. Okay, so we've also got a beautiful dipstick. Now I'm a little bit scared about the markings on this, so I might have to figure out a way to modify it to work with my TF-Works sump. I don't know if this is going to work in terms of that, but it's okay. It's no problem at all. We'll figure out a way to modify it to make it work. But this is beautiful. It sits flush, and this is flexible too, which is awesome. And it'll make like getting in and out a lot easier. I know that for sure, because I always like hate those like flat metal ones. They just always get stuck. Okay, so that's that. Beautiful. I'm so excited. I kind of just like want to test fit it. I'm just gonna test fit it right now. Okay, I feel like there's like a little trick to this. Nope. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How pretty is that? It's so flush. I don't even know what it looks like right now. Wait. There we go. Okay. Can you guys see that? Look how flush and pretty that is. Oh, it's gonna suit the theme so much, because if you guys have a look at the livery, I'll put it up right now. The black I wanted, so it didn't, like, I didn't want anything that stood out on the rocker cover. I wanted everything to be blacked out and just simple and nice, because I want the artwork to stand out. So I'm super excited about that. I'm also gonna like wire back this so K-Tuned can stand out, but just because like it looks so freaking good. I love their logo. As a graphic designer, I think like they have like one of the best logos. Look at this. Okay, so we also have an oil cap. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. It's so pretty. Okay, so it came in this box, this little box here, and it comes like this. I think it's got the K-Tune sticker, and I really want to run it because it's cute. Oh, they give you 2 choices. What? That is thoughtful as. Okay, so if you don't like the original logo, they give you a secondary logo that you can choose. Okay, I see. And then you put the sticker on the center. What bosses are they? Like, you get to choose which logo you want to use. Like, that is just a design thing that I love. I love that about K-Tuned. K-Tuned is my vibe. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to paint you. Oh, okay. Now the very last thing. The very last thing. What is this? This is K-Tune created by... This is cool! Who did this? James Houghton's K-Tune's GLTC race car. Look at this. This is awesome! Who did this? Chicane the Game, created by Mfrax. This is really awesome. I'm like, what are we like, can we collect them all? Is there like more cars than this? Is there, I feel like this is like, I need this collection now. I'm just gonna like order parts off K-Tune just so I can get those cars. It's kind of like, it's crazy, but I would do it. Okay, so last but not least, we have, I don't know if you guys can guess, but it's in the size of what you probably already know. And if you guessed it correct, shout out to you guys, because this is a fuel rail. It's black, it's going to suit everything. They've also provided all the hardware. You know what? I actually have another video that I did unboxing a K-Tuned part. I'm gonna put that up at the end of this video, and you guys should go watch that. But yeah, K-Tuned has always been around. That video that you're gonna watch is gonna be a very old video. So it's been a hot minute since I've had any K-Tuned parts in my hand, but I'm so excited for this. You guys need to check it out. I'm gonna be doing also another separate video, not only for the install, but for also painting this. I'm thinking of doing a time lapse. What do you guys think? If you guys think that's a great idea, please leave a comment below, because I would love to hear your thoughts. So guys, please check out K-Tuned if you're a Honda fanatic. If you haven't already, like most people who love Hondas like love K-Tuned, but if you haven't, or if you're thinking about even K-swapping an S chassis, definitely check them out for aftermarket parts, because they have some beautiful, beautiful items, and I've loved them for years, and they've never let me down on quality. So check them out, and I will see you guys soon when I am going to be painting this and then installing it on my 180SX drift car. Until then, I will see you guys soon.